Take a look at this. And that's how bad it got. And yeah, that last reply didn't go too well. I've been spending all my time on here. She's right though. I even used to wake myself up snorting and getting up in the morning with awful brain fog. But you'll be pleased to know I've done some research and I've found something. All the celebrities and athletes have started using something called mouth tape. So if you're a mouth breather, especially when you sleep, it can lead to so many issues. The main ones being lack of oxygen and bad breath. So if you or anyone you know is a mouth breather, I can't recommend getting some of these enough. You get a month's supply of these off TikTok shop for like 10 quid. And these ones also come with those nose strips as well that really help open up those airways. These are extremely viral right now, so I can't guarantee they're in stock, but if they are when I post this, I'll leave them attached just here.